In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the oversold reversal screener settings. Since the market is currently heading into a correction territory, it's important to have this one saved on your Finviz account. Once you guys find your way over to Finviz, all you have to do is go over to your screener settings right here, hit all, and this is a pretty easy one, guys. We'll make it nice and fast for you today. For the price, you want it to be above $5, nice and simple. Country, you want it to be United States. This is optional. You can choose any if you like, but I personally just go the United States. Now, coming down to the bottom here, you're going to have something called relative volume. It's going to be right here. You want it to be over 2, so you want to see some volume coming in after an oversell. And then you want to have RSI. You want to have this oversold 30. Oversold 30. And then right below that, you just see change. You want this change to be up. And that takes us down to currently 34 stocks. And look at that. You're going to be looking at stocks that do not look really nice, but they're having a reversal day. They're having one day where they're taking a pause. This may allow you to enter into a short position, a put position, or even a long position if you're looking at a support level. What I like to do here is if I find this, if I find something like this here and I find it around a support, maybe I'll take a position on it for a long. But if it's currently breaking down still and it does not have an overall support level, I will use that one day reversal as an opportunity to buy a put, and then when it comes back down, continues, then I'll be really happy as I make more money. You can see it right here with ADTN. Look at this. It popped up here, here, and today here. Each time it was an opportunity to buy some puts, which gives you a much better price, which means you're going to be making much more money without having to risk as much money here. All right, everybody, have a great rest of your day, and thank you so much for watching.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly.